You are unstoppable. You control your own reality. You are stronger than you thought.
Alright.
Be like
I
water,
think we're
my
clear.
friend.
Move out.
Unstoppable.
Yo, this coming like the one time me meet one girl down with the and my draw down her draws for fuck her. A be a bush you that see me. Can you shut up? Like seriously, can you shut up? I see why they call you the energy god, because we've been walking for 10 miles and your mouth hasn't closed since. What did they give you to eat? The ass of a chicken? Jesus Christ. Come on now. So you're dealing with a cowboy. You're going like for you never dare talk to Batty boy. Now wait a minute there, Mr. Elephant Feller. You are crazier than a rat trying to scratch a cat's ass if you think I'm gonna stand here and let you talk all crazy to me like you finna do something. Now let me tell you this, I'll blow your goddamn head smooth off, so if you feeling froggy, jump boy! Feeling froggy, with your thoughts on frog youth, I want to tell you. You gotta suck out them and then that one tell you no cowboy. They think you're a blood clot bad man, they think I'm moving this youth. How you do? Let's get this started. You wanna fight or what? Big idiot boy, you make me such chin gun youth. Now, I don't give a fuck about Mr. Chin no more. You disrespected the hell out of me, so now you gotta deal with me now, alright? Me left up on Prince Street look like mincemeat, pussole. Oh, you finna leave me on Prince Street look like mincemeat. Well, fuck you and the horse you rode in on, motherfucker. Go suck your mother. No, you suck your mother, alright? Your mama ain't got no titty, so you can't suck her. Bet you fuck her. Yeah, true, ya fuck your cause of them Batty boy. Now that's a low blow, motherfucker. That's a low blow.
Watch them, feel them, but just make them. Watch them.